How to compose killer social media marketing posts. Social media platforms are a powerful marketing tool. On social media, it is easier to find active users that are ready to engage with your content. And social media users, when engaged, are easier to qualify, capture, and convert. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to compose killer social media posts on top social media platforms in 2019 and 2020. Composing a killer marketing post on Facebook. Start on your Facebook business page and click on the Write a Post box to get started. Facebook marketing posts are best used to drive traffic to external pages or content. You can do this by teasing content with a brief statement followed by a call to action. You can create the statement by quoting a quote from the article or text in the destination URL. The intention is to drive curiosity. In this example, we are going to send people to one of our content pages, so we'll quote the article in the link. Then we are going to add a call to action to encourage users to click on the link to continue reading. You always have to link to an external URL where users have to take action. There are two methods to add a link to your Facebook marketing posts. The easiest method is by pasting the URL below the text. Facebook will automatically create a clickable link preview that will appear below the text and that users can click through. This link preview will pull the feature image in the destination URL and will insert it to the post. You can delete the text URL from the post after the link preview loads. The other method is by adding a shortened URL directly below the text. To shorten a URL, go to Bitly in your browser and then paste the URL in the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button. Click on the Copy button to copy the shortened URL and go back to Facebook. Now paste the shortened URL below the text. When you include a shortened URL in your post, you can replace the link preview with a branded image, video, or infographic. To do it, you simply have to delete the link preview by clicking on the X icon, and then clicking on the photo or video button to upload your branded image or video. You can click on Share Now or schedule your post after you upload your custom image or video. Composing a killer marketing post on Instagram. Instagram is a visual discovery platform, so before composing your post, you have to shoot a photo, to upload an image, or to record a video. To add media to a new post, simply tap the camera icon to take a picture or record a video. You can tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen to access the gallery and upload an image from your device. In this example, we're going to select the product image from our gallery. You can tap on Next after selecting an image to continue. You can edit your image or video by adding a filter and adjusting other settings. Use these settings to generate a branded look for all your posts. By using the same visual effect on all your posts, you will increase brand recall. You can tap on Next to continue after you finish editing your media. Now it is time to compose an Instagram marketing post. Instagram marketing posts are best used to generate engagement, reach, brand awareness, and product consideration. Instagram marketing posts don't follow a unique structure like on other social media channels. You just have to include your target keywords and search terms, a call to action if you're promoting an external URL, and hashtags. In this example, we'll start by composing a compelling caption where we target product keywords and search terms related to the product in our image. To increase curiosity, we are going to open our caption with a question, where we target a product keyword. Next, we are going to add a relevant search term and a description of the product that we are promoting. Now we're going to add a call to action to encourage users to visit the link in our bio to learn more about the product. Instagram won't allow you to insert external URLs to your marketing posts, so you have to add your links to your bio by going to your profile and pasting your landing page URL into the website field. This is the only placement where you can add a clickable URL on Instagram. Now it is time to add hashtags. Hashtags are used to increase discoverability. You can add up to 30 hashtags to an Instagram post, but we recommend you to add a maximum of 9 hashtags. Only add keywords that are relevant to your post as hashtags. Always make sure to research the best hashtags for each post. You can tap on Share when you are finished composing your new Instagram marketing post. Composing a killer marketing post on Twitter. Start on your Twitter profile and click on the tweet button to get started. Twitter marketing tweets are best used to generate engagement, to drive website visits and sales. In this example, we are going to show you how to create Twitter marketing posts to drive website visits and sales. Now, these types of marketing tweets are straightforward, and they only include a call to action, encouraging users to check content or promotion on a destination URL. First, type a brief description of the content or offer that you'll promote. In this example, we'll promote an article about a product, which contains a link to a sales page at the end. So we will start with the name of the product, followed by a product keyword, followed by a description of the product. Now we'll follow with a call to action to encourage users to check the article, and we'll insert the URL at the end. Now it is time to add an image, video, or GIF related to the content or offer. Click on the Add Photos or Videos button or on the Add a GIF button to upload media to your tweet. You can click on Tweet when you are finished composing your marketing tweet. Amplifying your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign is perhaps the best social media platform to promote your business. And you can give an explosive boost to your complete internet marketing plan by running a paid marketing campaign on Facebook. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to amplify your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign step by step. Accessing the Ads Manager and creating the campaign. To start creating a Facebook advertising campaign, you have to access the Facebook Ads Manager. You can access the Ads Manager by going to http://facebook.com/adsmanager/creation on your browser while logged into your Facebook account. That URL will take you to the campaign creation screen, where you have to select a campaign objective to get started. Campaign objectives are pre-built campaign setups that are optimized to help you achieve specific marketing goals. Because your marketing goal with this campaign is to increase your reach, you have to click on the Reach option under the Awareness column. Now enter a name for your new ad campaign in the Campaign Name field, and then click on the Set Up Ad Account button. Next, you have to select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Click on Continue after selecting this info. Creating the ad set. Next up, you have to create the ad set for this campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now select the Facebook page that you are going to promote from the Facebook page menu. Now you have to set up the target audience. With Facebook ads, you'll be able to hyper-target your audience for better results. First, select the locations that you're going to target in the Locations section. To select the location, you have to type the name of a location in the text field above the map and to click on it to select it. You can target more than one location on a single campaign. After selecting a location, you can select to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now select the age of your target audience. Now select the gender of your audience. Now select the languages of the audience that you want to reach. To select a language, click in the Languages box. Type the initials of the language that you want to target, and click on it to select it. You can target more than one language. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can select to reach users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. In the Placement section, you can select the placements where you want to show your Facebook ads. If you select Automatic Placements, your ads will appear to all users on all types of devices, across multiple placements that include Instagram and the Audience Network. If you select Edit Placements, you can select where you want to show your ads and on what devices. On the Budget and Schedule section, you have to select the budget and a schedule for your campaign. Select Daily Budget if you want to spend a fixed daily amount, or select Lifetime Budget if you want to spend your entire budget until your campaign ends or you deplete your budget. On Schedule, you can select Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today to run your ads until you stop them manually, or you can select Set a Start Date and an End Date to select when your ads start running and when the campaign ends. You can click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by typing the name of your new ad in the Ad Name field. In the Identity section, you have to choose how you want to represent your business in your ad. By default, the Facebook page that you selected when you created the ad set will be selected here. Now you have to select your ad format. The ad formats available for this type of campaign are carousel and single image or video. Let's select single image or video. After selecting a format, you have to upload media to use on your ad. Select image if you're going to use an image. Select video or slideshow if you are going to use a video or slideshow. On the text section, you have to add your ad copy, add text, and your ad URLs. Start by adding your ad copy to the text field. Now check the Add a Website URL box and enter your destination URL in the Website URL field. Now enter your ad headline into the headline field. Now add a brief description or value proposition to the newsfeed link description field. Now click on the Call to Action menu to add a Call to Action button to your ad. You can preview how your ad will appear on different placements in the Ad Preview window. You can click on the Confirm button to submit your ad for approval. Approval usually takes between 10 and 15 minutes. As you can see, running a paid ads campaign on Facebook is easy when you know the steps.